Welcome back to Blue's Garden, making oven-roasted pumpkin seeds. First of all, you want to collect your pumpkin seeds. We happen to like collecting them the old-fashioned way, pumpkin carving days. First thing you do, gather all the pumpkin seeds, and then you need to separate all the seeds from the flesh. Get as much of the flesh out of there as you can. Separate all the seeds from the flesh, and just get rid of that flesh. You don't want to run that through with your seeds when you're doing it. I do a first pass quick with the knife. Then I actually, in a colander, and just keep running it under water, rinsing it, and then just pick out the bits, the fleshy bits, and toss that. Or if you're going to use it for something, that's fine too. Next, I take the pumpkin seeds, and off they go onto a sheet pan. I like to pat them dry with a towel, and just every chance you can, just keep removing all of the flesh from the pumpkin seeds. The cleaner it is, the better your pumpkin seeds finished product will come out. I make 3 batches. I made 3 batches this time. I did one that was just plain sea salt on one tray. I did one that was sea salt and chili powder. And then I did one that was sea salt, cocoa powder, and a tiny bit of cayenne. Into the oven about 200 degrees or 94 Celsius for about 10 minutes. That's to dry it. And then I turn it up to 325 for about 25 minutes. That's about 163, 164 Celsius. Into the bags they go. Ours don't last long. We just eat them all. So please don't forget, like and subscribe and share this video. It really helps me out. Thanks, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Blue's Garden tips.